With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, in this given question, we need to understand in which of the following arrangement the order is not according to the property indicated against it. So this is lithium, sodium, potassium, then we have rubidium. So they are telling increasing metallic radius. So this is correct because as we move along down the group, so the procedure that there is going to be increase in number of shells, so correspondingly size also increases and metallic radius also increases. This is lithium, this is sodium, then we have potassium. So correspondingly as we move down the group, the metallic radius increases. So this one is correct. Second, we are given iodine, bromine, fluorine, chlorine, increasing electron gain enthalpy with negative sign. So they are talking about electron gain enthalpy. For example, this is the X element and it is accepting an electron in its valence shell, then this process is electron gain and the energy released over here is represented as electron gain enthalpy value released. So this is forming an anion correspondingly. So this was the whole process. Now over here, what should be the general trend? Smaller will be the size, more closer will be the nucleus, so that it can easily accept an electron. So if it is easily accepting, that means energy will be more released. So what happens as we move down the group, correspondingly size increases. So there will be distance of nucleus also increases as we move down the group. So its attraction power also decreases. So what happens? There should be general order that fluorine must be smaller size. So it must have highest electron gain enthalpy. Then should come chlorine, then bromine, then iodine. But what happened? Due to the exception case in fluorine, which is due to small size and inter-electronic repulsion, this becomes less and chlorine comes greater, because in chlorine there are 3p orbitals which are not facing any repulsion issue. That's why the electron affinity value or the electron gain enthalpy value of chlorine is going to be more as compared to fluorine, and rest order is going to be as it is. So this is the order which they have given in the increasing order over here, and this is correct. So they both order are same. This one we have written in the decreasing, this one was given in increasing. So this both are correct. Then we are given boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen in increasing first ionization enthalpy values. So first ionization basically means removing an electron from the outermost shell, and if we compare our nitrogen and oxygen, so this will be the deciding factor. Here configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3, but in case of oxygen it's going to be 2p4. So this is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So what should be the order? This is containing 3 electrons, which this is half-filled stable configuration, and here it is not half-filled stable configuration because there is 4th electron as well. So what happened? This is half-filled stable. That's why to remove an electron from this stabilized configuration, we need more energy. So that's why its ionization is going to be more. So what we have told, that ionization value of nitrogen is going to be more than ionization value of oxygen. So this should be the order, but they have given exactly opposite. They are telling oxygen is having greater than nitrogen. So this is our answer, which is incorrect given. And correspondingly these are the isoelectronic species given, and we know the anionic size is going to be largest, and the cationic, more the cationic charge, smaller will be size. You can also compare, because aluminum is having 30 protons and it is having only 10 electrons, so 13 protons are attracting 10 electrons, so nuclear charge will be more and correspondingly size will be very less as compared to other. Here there will be 12 protons and 10 electrons, so similarly size will be greater as compared to Al plus 3n, and fluorine is having 9 protons and controlling 10 electrons, so size will be biggest. You can generally remember that anion is going to have highest size, then corresponding neutral atom, then the cationic charge. More is the negative charge, more will be larger size, more is the positive charge, more smaller will be the size. So this was the whole solution, and if we compare this increasing metallic radius, then we have already seen lithium, sodium, potassium, and moreover rubidium will be also there. So this is down the group, size will be increasing, so increasing metallic radius. And let's also see this in the brief details. Option D, that isoelectronic species over here. So this is how I have written the species. This is Al, aluminum, this is magnesium dipositive, this is sodium positive, and this is fluorine negative. So if I compare the protons, number of protons are going to depending upon atomic number. So this is 13, this is 12, this is 11, and this is going to be 9. Now if I talk about their electrons, which are going to be decided after the ionization. So this is removing 3. So it's going to be 13 minus 3, 10. Here also 12 minus 2 will give you 10. Here also 1 ionization, so 11 minus 1 will give you 10. And fluorine is having 9 electron but adding 1 more electron, so it's going to be 10. That's why they are called isoelectronic species, having same number of electrons over here. Now if you compare, this is having more number of protons. So larger the number of protons and attracting same number of electrons, that is 10 electrons, so nuclear charge will be very greater. That's why I told you that cation, more the positive charge on the cation, more smaller will be the size. So this is going to be smallest, and correspondingly similar for 12 protons attracting 10 electrons, so size will be somewhat bigger. Here also somewhat larger size, but here 9 protons, only 9 protons are controlling, over here 10 electrons, so this is going to be, electrons will be greater, so correspondingly size will be larger. So that's why anion, more the negative charge, more larger will be the size. So this was the general discussion about the question, and option D is also correct, which they have given on the basis of increasing ionic size, and we need to find the not correct, so option C.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.